Mm. Nice.
Straight out the oven and to the oven with the fishmongers. Now we are the night mongers. We are uploading our own content to our videos.
Again, the fun of God. Hi guys, welcome back to Mama Jaden's Kitchenette and Lifestyle, first video by me 2024. And so guys, as usual, your girl, mom of two, wife to one, queen of recipes, she's back again with a very interesting recipe this particular day. And so guys, when you see me roaming around this spot, definitely a recipe is about to pop and that a recipe is about to go down. And so guys, on to today's recipe. We are going to make oven baked fish. These are our ingredients of the day. Details of how the amount of what it is, it shall be in the description box. We want to save on time. And so guys, to everyone who is tuning to this channel for the first time, please make this home. And how do you make this home? You make this home by clicking on that subscribe button. And do not just click on the subscribe button, also click on the notification bell so that every other time I'm uploading a new video, you are notified on the same. And so guys, watch this video and also remember to like, share and comment. So guys, let's head into the video. So I have my two fish here, medium size. First step, if among us doing this, we think it's easy. So, next, we sprinkle a bit of salt. So that one done. Next thing, I'm gonna prepare my marinade. So a quick one, this is curry powder, fish masala, paprika, garlic powder and tomato paste. We are adding all this into our blender, to our blender. Then we add a bit of capsicum, then our garlic, a bit of red onions, then white onion, a bit of cooking oil, so finally our marinade is here. This is how it looks like. Or we We apply the marinade on our fish. So this is serving as our baking tray. The stuff inside lemon, onions, as much as you can. A bit of cooking oil. I'm preparing my fish with potatoes. So this has been preheated for 20 minutes. I just sprinkled black pepper and chilies on the preheated potatoes. So I'm going to add the remaining capsicum in here. Then a bit of the marinade. Then I just mix gently because they are already preheated. Where are you? So just to make good use of the oven, meanwhile I'm preheating my oven at 180 degrees Celsius. I'm going to cook this for 20 minutes. These are just vegetables to make the meal complete. Then I sprinkle a bit of cooking oil on the vegetables. Finally, So I'll save my marinade for future use. So it's about time I place this in my oven. So guys, 20 minutes later, the aroma in here, you don't want to imagine, because here, let's check on our fish together with potatoes. We see if we made it. Wow. And so this is the final product. Looks promising. I'm sure all the juice has been squeezed. So this has been it about oven baked fish. Let's give it to our tester on the other side and see what he has to say. But they look promising. I hope what we are seeing is what we are going to test. Nice. I feel like finishing the entire. If you don't join me.
That is your one reaction. Your only reaction is rich.
Well, wadao. What? It's in the middle of the night, even past midnight. We already got supper, but we feel like making some Okay guys, I need to go and enjoy this. Thank you for watching this video to the end. I don't take it for granted. For now I say bye guys.
Straight out the oven and to the oven. The fishmongers. Now we are the night mongers. We are uploading our own content into our stomachs.
Ongea na ugali. I need to sit down and enjoy.
This fish has been allowed to cast like this flat.